mile per hour, right?
Yes. That gets you the advantage. That's the best of both worlds. That's what all the pro cars do now. They get those, those big high dollar lock-up transmissions now. So they can get out of the hole and then lock it up top. Because otherwise, when they take the gear out of the car, it just blows through the converter.
Right.
So especially, you know, you cruise, you know how it is, you're doing a little drive-by in the parking lot, and you just, it's like, you know, the manual car, you just pop the clutch, you know, now you just... See, lock up.
Nice.
And I think GM did the cars a little better than the four guys, like... Mustang cars go for the ditch when they spin. These cars track pretty straight.
And a crowd in the ditch. That's right.
The more people, the more it goes for the ditch, man. It's like a magnet or something. They got like people magnets on the quarter panels. And so I'll just do like a part throttle.
All right. And you know, for these Michelins, they're doing pretty good.
Yeah,
they're doing pretty good for those
man.
Michelins.
Hey, Michelins are some of the best street tires you can buy, I think.